You can make AI story videos like this.
Finley, a tiny goldfish, had always stared at the world beyond his bowl. Finally free, leaving the small glass prison behind forever.
Just for the total cost of $0? Everyone thinks AI automation is expensive and locked behind paid subscriptions. But this AI tool is completely free and is a total game changer. It allows you to generate AI images and videos in bulk and is so powerful that it makes many other AI tools feel outdated. In today's video, I will show how we can use Meta AI with an extension to generate AI videos in bulk. If you are tired of entering prompts again and again, this tool is for you. With this method, you do not have to work on just one video in a day. You can create many. First, search for Meta AI and open the official website. You may need to sign up or log in if you have not already. After that, download the extension called AutoMeta from Chrome Extension Store. Now you need a story. You can get one from the internet, write your own, or ask ChatGPT to generate one for you. Once you have the story, ask ChatGPT to convert it into image prompts, and then ask it to extract all the prompts together without any headings. Now you will have all the prompts ready. Paste them into the extension and start the process. The AI will automatically enter the prompts one by one and download the generated videos for you. After all the videos are generated and downloaded, you can move on to the voiceover. For this, you can simply use ChatGPT. Paste the full story and tell it to read it aloud. Then click on the three dots under the response and select Read Aloud. You can record the audio using different tools. OBS Studio works perfectly for this. You do not have to use ChatGPT for the voice. You can use any tool you like. Once you have the audio, you can remove the video part in your editing software and keep only the audio, or you can use an MP4 to MP3 converter. Now you have both the videos and the audio. You can use your preferred editing software to put everything together, add effects, and edit the video. After that, your video is complete. AI has become extremely powerful. Many channels are using this exact technique and making a lot of money every month. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps and allows me to bring more videos and new AI tools for you.